arranged, you will simply be arranged according to your section. Okay, follow. Ngayon, kung gusto niyo magtatabi-tabi kayo magkakaibigan, because there will be a two-line formation. Okay? Dapat, during the assembly, okay? During your two-line formation, dapat hindi kayo magkatabi. Dapat, you belong to the same line. Kasi kung magkatabi kayo, pag nagpunta kayo sa grandstand, mahahati kayo. Okay? Because yung isang row, yung isang line, will be seated in one area, and the other line will be seated in a different area. So if you want to be sitting beside each other, then make sure that you are on the same line. Okay? So dapat isang linya lang kayo. Now, what else? Parade to the field will begin at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay? Next slide, please. Ang ganda na naman. So, you are advised to eat heavy lunch and use gimmicks only when instructed. When are you going to use your gimmick paraphernalia? When our colleagues is introduced. Okay, when you are already in the football field. Each college will be introduced. Pag tinawag ang ating representative, actually, usually, loyalty awardee ang nagdadala ng science club.